Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boost performance by adjusting the dynamic resolution on AMD Radeon 7900 XTX. To do it, just right click on your desktop and go to AMD software. Now you can go to gaming and you can adjust that setting for a certain game or globally by going to graphics, and in games tab you can just select the game that you want to adjust it for. But I'm gonna go to the graphics, and here I can locally just enable Radeon Boost, which will use dynamic resolution. So sometimes when it will not be visible, it will reduce the resolution in some places to make the performance better. And you can also set the maximum resolution change all the way down from, like, I believe from 16.7 up to 50%. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.